family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a hair review. I've been rocking this curly look for the longest, and all of you guys, literally every one of you guys, have been asking me where I got the hair from, how do I style it, So today, lucky for you, I have the tea. So in today's video, we're gonna be starting from scratch. I'm gonna be showing you where I got this fabulous wig from. We're gonna cut the lace, we're gonna apply it, we're gonna style it, we're just gonna do everything. So if you're interested in how I got this fabulous look, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So for today's look, we are going to be using this hair right here. I'm gonna open up the box here. So I have the hair here. I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, this looks like it's pretty long. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out of the packet. Oh my God, look at the curls on that. Just beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna take this protective net off. It's a pretty big net. And then I'm gonna take the foam out, the stuffings out, and this is what we're trying to get to. So as you can see, it's a full lace frontal, and then it has some lace in the back. It has a comb right there. It also has a comb right here and right here. I'm glad it doesn't have the comb in the middle because I actually don't like that. Okay, so the hair has actually been plucked. You can't really see it, but it has been plucked. So what that means is all you literally have to do is cut your lace and basically apply it. So what I'm gonna be using to apply my lace is the Got2b glue spray, a pair of scissors, a spray bottle with water. That's basically it. I don't feel like going to look for a net that actually match my skin tone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this black one. As you can see, the net covers up all my hair, okay? I don't wanna leave any of my hair out. I just like to cover all my hair up because I like to protect it. So first I'm gonna go ahead and try the lace on. So I just wanna know where to cut my lace so that I'm not overcutting. So this part is fine. It goes right above my ears, and then this side is also fine because it goes right above my ear as well. So it's a perfect fit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off and cut my lace. A lot of people like to cut it when it's on, but I like to take it off just because for me, I can get a more precise cut that way. So what I like to do is I like to cut in the middle first. Be very careful with this step, y'all, because you will mess up your hair if you don't. So now I have the lace cut in the middle. I'm just gonna go side by side and cut it. Okay, so we are done. So that looks like it fits. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and make a part. I'm not cutting anything, I'm just being lazy to get a comb, so I'm making my part with my scissors. This is what the part looks like. Now I'm gonna define my part. So I'm gonna do this by just grabbing little pieces of hair in this area and plugging it out. You can use a tweezer for this, but I just rather use my fingers. It's easier for me. But this is pretty simple, y'all. You can literally just pull the hair out. Okay, so I think I have plugged enough. So this is what the part looks like so far. And then I'm gonna take my spray and spray it onto my scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the hair down and then tease it with my finger. Okay, so it looks like this side is laid. So I'm gonna move on to the next side. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a scarf and tie my hair down. And then I'm gonna work on the rest of the hair. So this is what our hair looks like. I don't know if you guys can see the whole thing, but it's pretty long, y'all. And I love, love, love the curls. Okay, so it's been a few moments. I'm gonna go ahead and take the scarf off. Okay, so our hair is laid. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and define my curls a little bit more, add some baby hair, and yeah, that should be it. Okay, so I have my bottle of water here. I'm just gonna spray it on. So I'm gonna let the water marinate while I do my, redefine my part and do just a little bit of baby hair. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of concealer. I just like to make sure that the concealer matches my skin perfectly, just so it doesn't look fake. So what I'm doing here is I'm just gonna dab my brush into it. It's like an angled brush. This is what the brush looks like. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and define my part here. And then now I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hair. So I will be using this Eco Styler gel and an old toothbrush to lay my edges, okay? I'm gonna just pull it back a little bit, and then I'm gonna grab my scissors. So again, I'm using my Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna just dab it in here. Okay, you guys, here it is. Took a little bit of gel, lay this side down a little bit. And yeah. So let me move back a little bit so you guys can see the whole thing. Again, this hair is pretty long. I might have to, I don't know, cut it a little bit, but I would hate to like waste the length, but I love it how it looks. So yeah, this is it, y'all. You guys always ask me about the hair. This is it. This is what we're working with, and this is the final result. Okay, family, this is it, y'all. As I said, I'm gonna leave their info down below. I'm gonna leave their website. I'm also going to leave a discount code for you guys to help you guys purchase this hair. So if you do like the look, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another video from me again. That is it, y'all. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.